Welcome to our channel, where we explore the transformative power of focus and how it can completely revolutionize your life. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our empowering content. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we are diving deep into the topic of focus and its incredible potential to transform your life. In a world filled with distractions and endless stimuli, the ability to harness and direct our focus has never been more crucial. So, let's explore how you can tap into this power to unlock your fullest potential and create the life you desire in 2024 and beyond. First and foremost, let's talk about why focus is so essential. Think of focus as a spotlight that illuminates your path towards success. When you're able to concentrate your energy and attention on your goals, you become unstoppable. Focus allows you to prioritize what truly matters, eliminate distractions, and make meaningful progress towards your aspirations. Now, let's explore some practical strategies for enhancing your focus. Start by setting clear and specific goals for yourself. What do you want to achieve? Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks, and create a roadmap to guide your actions. Next, cultivate mindfulness through practices such as meditation and deep breathing exercises. These techniques can help quiet the noise in your mind and sharpen your focus. The benefits of focus extend far beyond increased productivity. When you're able to concentrate your efforts on what truly matters, you'll experience greater clarity, creativity, and fulfillment in all areas of your life. Focus empowers you to make confident decisions, overcome obstacles, and turn your dreams into reality. It's important to remember that building focus is a journey, not a destination. Like any skill, it requires practice, patience, and perseverance. Stay committed to your goals, and don't let setbacks deter you. Embrace the process, and trust in your ability to stay focused, even when faced with challenges. I've seen firsthand the incredible impact that focus can have on one's life. Whether it's achieving academic success, advancing in your career, or cultivating meaningful relationships, the power of focus is undeniable. By prioritizing what truly matters and directing your energy towards your goals, you have the ability to transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Remember that the power to transform your life lies within you. By tapping into the power of focus, you can overcome obstacles, seize opportunities, and create the life you've always dreamed of. So, I encourage you to take action today. Commit to sharpening your focus, setting ambitious goals, and pursuing your passions with unwavering determination. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the transformative power of focus. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content to help you on your journey towards success. Until next time, stay focused, stay determined, and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. This is EvolveMentor, signing off.